Frontrunners Pfizer and Moderna built their COVID vaccines with a new kind of technology that's never before been licensed in the US. Typically, a vaccine puts a weakened or inactivated virus into our bodies to trigger an immune response. But the coronavirus vaccine relies on messenger RNA, which contains a piece of genetic code with instructions for our body. The mRNA tells our cells to make a protein, the same protein that's a spike on top of the actual coronavirus. This is what triggers the immune response to COVID-19, which then produces antibodies. Those antibodies are what ultimately protect us from getting infected if we ever encounter the real thing. Both companies have said that taking their vaccines could result in side effects similar to mild COVID symptoms like muscle pain, chills, and a headache. Even though side effects of the vaccine resemble COVID-19 symptoms, it's impossible to contract the coronavirus from the vaccine because the mRNA vaccines that Pfizer and Moderna are making don't use the live virus.
I experienced, stiffness, pain in my left arm where I had gotten the vaccine, but it was mild.
The second dose was a different story for Batalvi.
After the injection, I had the same side effects as the first. So the localized pain, stiffness, it was a little bit worse.
More significant symptoms presented that evening.
I had developed a low-grade fever and, stuff associated with that. So the fatigue had worsened. I had gotten chills.
Other trial participants from both the Pfizer and Moderna studies have reported similar issues after the second shot. One Pfizer trial participant told CNBC that after the booster shot, he woke up with chills, shaking so hard he cracked a tooth. For him, it hurt to even just lay in his bedsheet. But this kind of reaction isn't the norm.